captain's comms, I'll be calm. That is scary.
Gentlemen, this is Lead Flight Attendant Steve. The captain has informed us that we have an emergency landing. The crew is fully trained for this type of situation. We'll be landing in approximately 9 minutes. With your attention and cooperation, we'll do everything we can and necessary to prepare for an emergency landing. Once we have safely landed, we'll let you know if it'll be necessary to evacuate.